Hello! Hey, what's up? It's your girl Carmen J. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, wait, no, I messed up. Hey, it's your girl Carmen J. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that little subscribe button, be a part of my gang. Maybe not, no, not a gang. I'm still trying to figure out a little slogan or what to call all my whopping 45 subscribers. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. If you're not new and you're one of my subscribers, welcome back, my beautiful kindred soul. You guys asked and I answered, so I'm here with a try-on haul with some of my favorite looks from some of my favorite places. And yes, it's affordable because yes, I'm broke and I'm a college student, so that's kind of like the same thing, being a college student and being broke. So I'm always out to look for the biggest deals that I can find. So I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. If you don't like it, let me know what you'd prefer to see. I love feedback either way. I hope that you enjoy my video. Stores that I shop at are like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, the thrift store. Some online stores that I really like are Prettylittlething, Toby. I really like CoalnTerry. They're a little expensive though, but they have some really cute clothes. And obviously Fashion Nova. Let's cut straight to it. Let's cut straight to it.
This look, I got inspired by Clueless. I found the top on sale at Forever 21, and the bottoms I also found on sale at Prettylittlething, and the shoes I got from 9 West. The weather inspired this look. I got it from H&M. The bottom and the tops are from H&M, and I got the Adidas shoes from Foot Locker, and it was such a look and it was so comfortable. If you're a stan, you know this fit. It was in my last video. It is a Fila outfit, a tube top and sweatpants, and I got it from the Urban Outfitters using the coupon from Unidays. Now that is a key alert. Go to Unidays for all of the discounts on top brand stores. Now there's been a huge trend with biker shorts and big t-shirts, and that's where this inspiration came from. The shirt is from CoalnTerry, and the shorts I just cut up from Goodwill. This was just my favorite look because I got it for a good price and it was so comfortable and trendy for the end of summer. I really stepped out of my comfort zone with this outfit because I normally don't wear spaghetti strap shirts, and I really like exposed myself, but I really like the way this outfit came together. I got the top from Prettylittlething and the bottoms from a boutique in Pittsburgh, and the shoes are Air Maxes that I got from Foot Locker. I always try to stand out when it comes to my business fits, so I found these cute pants from Goodwill. They're Tommy Hilfiger, and I got my top from CoalnTerry, and it's such a cute fit and it was affordable.
For tuning into my channel. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you get to find some really good deals at these stores. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to comment below. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, put a comment down on what you prefer to see. So thank you again. I hope that you enjoyed it. So remember to be safe, show love. I'll see you guys next week.